away, my people. If you see what I see, no be small thing, oh. I go show una. First of all, me I fair greet una, my better people. Una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Untouchable Mama. Also, na dey fine. Help me to share this video. Follow me on my page also, Untouchable Mama or Untouchable Mama backup page. I still there for Unto Mama for YouTube. Now me still get time, my people. My people, as I dey waka, they go for social media or for Facebook. Now go see this video. Now say, me I watch this video, me I see wetin dem dey talk about. Una know that fish where they call ewi, that big fish, that dry one where they dry. Now come they look and come say, wetin dey for inside this carton where they want open so. I no know say na fish dey for inside though. This fish where we they call ewi, that big fish, way big where they'll dry yan. They'll dry yan where you know that one. When they come they open the carton, now come they see wetin they breathe come out. Oh, hey my people, not the way person no go see oh, not the way our people no go use say they want find urgent money. Urgent money, una know what is there inside that where they put for inside nose. Then they carry go Dubai, my people. Now they see the carton, they check. Una know say this travel of a thing. You know if you just carry anything where you like, you say you want carry travel, after us they not go ask you wetin dey for inside or wetin not dey. Especially when machine, you know say all this machine where they tell them when you put something, go bring and come out for computer. You go tell them say something is there. No how you go hide down reach. Even go reach your shoe where you dey wear. Even though say you want hide something put. As you just dey pass, because electric this thing where it's there where you go pass come out. You go show wetin you dey for inside your body, my people. Now they come they open this carton. No. Now come they see big fish. They say all this thing where dey for inside was 442. 442. This ewi fish. Now they for inside. Then you all load down, my people. Then load down. You not go even expect say something dey. Not the way person no go see. We don't see many things, but this one for fish oh. Now the first time when me I dey see for fish oh, I don't see many things. Even for this maclean where they tell they clean mouth, they you know not the way where they tell they do the down, nothing go there, the up they will put and say na maclean. Nothing you feel say you want say this thing go fit pass, they not go no. You want pass, you tell them say na fish where you they eat. As far as say don't pass that machine where they there, they must know. And you know now say all these people where they check people, you not know how you go say you want give them money, even though say you give them money. As far as say it pass where it's supposed to pass, they go know say something dead there. If they not ask you that moment, they'll go will lay you for front, go owe you for there, say something there inside here. Not be small thing, my people. Now say this one now they want carry and go Dubai. Now for Lagos airport, now they for we let there, so now they for stop all these things. So how you go take feel carry something like this? You the thing say maybe the thing say maybe you want go sell now. You go tell them say now wetin dem go you want go sell now there for inside. So you just the carry and you be business woman, you they sell all this our full stock. So now make you the carry and they go. The way where they take put time, my people, me I don't know. I don't know as they take put time. Now the time where it never dry, now they put time be now waiting people. If I show una, most of una never see and why some don't see. Una go even the last say how they take do this thing. Can't dry yan. Even that they break. Now not say when the we go, they go dry yan. Then when you come they go they break, you know. Now the thing come they break, they come they bring and come and say, see wetin they load for inside here. Ah now wow. Even inside yam, I don't still see inside yam. Oh, the one where I don't still see. But this fish oh, I never see. All these things now, where our people they do, it go come make all this custom. They will come band or everything where they carry come abroad. They not agree again that they carry come because they do unless like all this xenophobia that you know. Like maybe not that one now they not feel lost anything because it's small. But all this one now maybe they will still band and say maybe they not they carry come again because they come they do they lost until urgent money. Nobody want work again. they want me they do am fast my friend make am if he do am why me not go do am na no say before they even dey put am for inside their body. Na wow, some people na wow, this money now this life we go live my photo we know they carry and go anywhere like this one now. These people where they cash now they go put them for inside kiri. I think don't finish for them, you go there or those one where they carry they put for inside body. Salon boy, God forbid bad thing. Which kind of money I defend they go? If you just open for inside your body, you don't go the money. You not go shop again. Why you they run up and down, they run kitty. This life now you want leave everything put because of say you want make us get money. Go work as other they work. Go they do a small. Go everything go they okay. You no need to they run. God application go come hold you. If you see your balegbe, your mind go they make big. I mean the one also. I be the one ask me question. All these things now people will get mad though. Person like me will not even get mad. God forbid bad thing. Also boy go be very honest. I not fit to because the money you go work, you go eat the money, go enter your body. Down where you go carry something. Before you go even sleep safe before you reach where you they go. Because inside airport where you want carry and go pass, where you they pass? Where you want pass? Where? Maybe you say you get some friends for there, you'll give them some money, 200,000, 500,000, they'll say maybe you come out. What if you can't reach or Bodo Ibo land? Who you want give money for there? You know there. Who you want give for there? Or you not they take bribe, or you not be like us where you go say, I beg now, take this one, maybe you just take that one go just carry. Who born you? They will carry you go inside. Don't be lie on my people. Wanna be careful. And it's even so, that make some people they don't know you well they know they carry something again say maybe help me carry this one go give. They know they carry because they don't need trouble because before now you carry and come, you understand, you where they carry come and then go home before you come they talk say na person give me make I help and carry. They not even mind yourself, they will put you now your hand there for see so you go there inside. It may be with time neither one go come answer whether they go even call and say make come answer. That make some people that they go Nigeria or let's say na their own something and they want carry come or maybe na his sister say may bring and come his blood sister or his brother say brother let me carry this thing come he just go give you may you carry come. Now they carry say another person you know what he want bring come for you don't know. Let's say if you carry and come you go open up for your present you go see everything A to Z. Otherwise, more than not carry, more than not go enter one chance. So now the truth of the matter, because nowadays don't trust anybody. Don't trust. Me show na the video. When I see her, my eye I say, I never see this one before. I say me I carry and come for now. Maybe now don't see her. Many I never see say inside we they feel low something for inside like this. A we way dry. Meaning the time when they put on, I don't know. Maybe never dry that time. May we watch. This one I will. Now see dry one. Very dry, Now see something for there. Now see hey my people, when me see her, I was like, when I first see the video, I know they see okay then they carry fish they come out. Okay, now dry fish, nothing special. Now say me I still they watch her because of waiting the right for the up, you understand. Now say been a mistake. Not be I can't see say they opened like this one now. Now I can say how they take put on for inside there. My people. May I leave her for them, my people. I don't tire. When I see the video, I was like, not in way. person no go see for this life. Wetin you never see, you never reach there. Be careful. If somebody tell you say help me carry something, be very very careful. For real, be very careful. If unless in a person where you know well, even though say you even know well if you carry something, he can't give you. Open now, as they just they carry and they come. Open now. Step. Even though say the fish safe. If not to destroy, I tell you see this one now. If not to destroy, may you fair know what to do. Otherwise, when you go reach airport, you are your all that time. Nobody go come say no come to us, say nobody tell you see my friend do me this one, but now you now go answer for wetin they see for your hand. Now be the thing. Be very careful. Even me, I never see for fish before, now understand, but this one when me see so nothing wey Musa no go see forget. Now bye my people, I just say me I bring and come mona see wetin I see. I don't want to show everything finish. Maybe I don't know whether I feel show everything, but I just say me I just show like that. But when I use una eye to see wetin there for inside fish just now. Dry fish, the fish where they call it win, I know say na very big fish. I don't see shoe. I don't see yam. But I never see this beef fish. So they say they put something for inside. Now, bye my people. God bless you for coming. Help me to share so that other people then go still learn in case city. Now, everybody they go Niger. Brother, help me carry this one come. Sister, help me carry this one come. May they for learn well. Now, bye. Thank you.